Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. I know I'm so glad to greet you. Student, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17, 1945. But do you know the figures behind our country independence? Not yet. Okay, don't worry, because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So now please listen to me. Students, we know that the proclamation of Indonesia independence gives a very important meaning to the Indonesian people, and there are 8 national figures who made it realized. Those are Miss Soekarno, Mohatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admir Tadasi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Malik, and B.M. Dia. Then the first figure is Mr. Soekarno or Bung Karno. Was born in Blitar, East Java, Juni 6, 1901, and died in Jakarta, Juni 21, 1970. Bung Karno and Bun Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation of the House of Admir Tadasi Maida and Sheikh B. Ahmad Subarjo on Jalan Pegang San Timur, number 56, Jakarta. Second, Mohatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra, August 12, 1902, died in Jakarta, March 14, 1980. He participated in signing the text of the proclamation of behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Mohatta is the first vice president in Indonesia. Third, Ahmad Subarjo, Jojo Adi Suarjo, was born in Karawang, West Java, March 23, 1896. Died on December 50, 1978. He was the Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs in Indonesia. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group that prepared the proclamation of Indonesia independence. He participated in compiling the text of the proclamation at the House of Admir Maida with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. 4. Admir Tadasi Maida is an officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia prepare a draft text of the proclamation of Indonesian independence and invited national figures and left them for very important activity. He was willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy for the Indonesian people. 5. Sukarni Kartodiwirjo or Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java, only July 14, 1916. Died in Jakarta, May 7, 1971. A youth leader and a man who was strong against the invaders. Sukarni suggested the text of the proclamation be read on behalf of Indonesia. 6. Fatmawati is the wife of Insinyur Soekarno, born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta 1980. He was buried in the Kalibata Horse Cemetery. Fatmawati spread the Saka Merah Putih flag which was flown in the proclamation of Indonesian independence on Jalan Pegang San Timur, nomor 14, Jakarta. 7. Sayuti Malik is a youth figure who is also very important in the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Sayuti used to typen the text of the proclamation to perfect in from Bung Karno's handwriting, making the writing look neat. Then the deposit of in the trust. One of the youths who attends the preparation for Indonesia independence was BM Dia. 8. BM Dia takes the manuscript from the trust and keeps it. The manuscript was kept for 14 years, 9 months, 19 days, and then turned to the Indonesian people. The decision to keep the original manuscript was very prized. Therefore, the Indonesian people were able to enjoy the text of the proclamation and learn from what happened at any time. Okay, students, that's all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We wish young generation of Indonesians should keep this independence by raising devout feeling to our country. And I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivation. See you next week. Bye bye.